Hey YouTube, how you doing? Today I'd like to talk to you about dishwashers. So if you're here, you're probably having some issues with your dishwasher not heating and drying, and you probably spent the money and bought one of these bad boys for about 50 bucks, probably on eBay or Amazon or somewhere, only to pull the dishwasher out and replace this thing, which is not that hard. It takes about 15 minutes, but you probably pulled your dishwasher out from underneath your cabinet and probably ripped your floor up trying to do it, only to find out that you have cold dishes whenever you're done. So just like you, this was my old one. I replaced it too. So it still didn't fix my problem. So here's what I did. But first, I need your help. I need you to help me do me a favor so I can help you fix your dishwasher and other various items around your house. It's my goal to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. And I'm like this close, right? I have 25 subscribers as of the making of this video. I just need 975 more, but you can help me do that. So if you like this content, go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. Thank you, it would be much appreciated. Have a great day. Let's back to the video. Welcome back, guys. So here, let's get to the nitty gritty here. So this is why your dishwasher, your GE dishwasher, is having some problems with heating and drying your dishes. So this is what was wrong with mine. It's called a flood switch, and it is right underneath here. Pop this bad boy out. Take you in a little bit closer. So right there, you've got a flood switch, and you've got two screws, one on that side and one on this side. Just take those two out with a 1/4-inch nut driver. Pop this gray piece right there out. Be careful, there's a hole that side. I don't know if you can see it there. And then another hole on the other side. So be careful not to drop your screws down in there. But use a magnet, or put some tape or put something in those holes. Pop those two screws out. Again, 1/4-inch nut driver. Pull the gray piece out, comes up. This piece comes out, but there's an electrical attachment. That electrical attachment, it's just a little green pin. It just pulls loose from the flood switch. So just pop that one out, throw that thing in the trash, put your new one in there, put it down. It only goes one way. Put your gray piece back on, screw those two in. Just again, be careful. Use a 1/4-inch nut driver. Use one with a magnet if you can. Plug those holes, that way you don't lose your screws in there, because trust me, the first time I did this, I lost one of the screws in there. I had to pull the whole thing out, so I pulled the whole thing out to replace the heating element, which didn't fix the issue. And then I had to pull it back out because I lost a screw in there. How humiliating. I had to take pieces apart that I didn't even know what they did, right? And try to get that all back together. It's not fun, so just take my word of advice. Plug those holes, put something in front of them, use a magnet, something. Just don't let those two screws get away from you. So anyway, now that that's out of the way, I think that's the issue. The link to that part is in the description below. So anyway, I think that the root cause of this is the most important part. So for about a month, we didn't use any type of good dishwashing detergent, and this one actually has grease fighting power is what it says. We use the cheap stuff because, you know, we got kids and we ran into hard times like most of y'all, and just like 90% of the world. We didn't use any rinse aid, and we definitely didn't use the once a month dishwasher cleaner packets that you're supposed to use. So I will advise you all to use these. Use this once a month. It's like $2.97. Use this. This lasts like, I don't know, 3 months. It's like 80 plus loads. It's like $4, $5, I don't know. This is like $6, $7, I don't know. Cheap, right? So $30 part, next to nothing. I will link you guys to products like this, and I'll see what we can do to get you all the best products to help your dishwasher run nice and smooth. So anyway, I thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helps you. If it does, please subscribe, please like, and share if you don't mind. But let me know in the comments section what you guys think, if this really helped you. The other video I did, not as great a quality as this one, I hope. Tons of people have watched it and liked the video, and it's really seemed to help them. So that's why I wanted to redo this video with better quality to get you guys the best view of the dishwasher and tell you really what it's all about and what I think is really the root cause of this. So let me know what you think. Check my stuff out. Appreciate it. Have a great day.